Hotman.
Yeah.
Now let's move on to izinto ezishisayo. Orlando Pirates balendile Spain for their preseason tour. Bazoba laphayana until the 25th of July. First game yabo is this Wednesday ngabo 7 ntambama. They playing against Cordoba CF.
Yeah.
It was interesting masibona squad is traveling Orlando Pirates. Sibona lo mfana lo ku DDC.
Yeah.
Umphopha or Badima or Rubanu Popo lo wonke umuntu okhala ngaye. The dribbling wizard.
Yeah.
Ozona Police seems uhambe nabo. Talent Mbata, Olapaya, Evidence Mahopa, Olapaya, all the players best worried to go to Lava, Bayahamba, and the Pirates is over in King next season. The preseason training in Orlando Pirates, Spain, we bona ibasiza ngani gupia ma player.
Mdu, you know, I still remember one coach used to say to me, if it's not broken, what are you fixing? So I think it's working for all of the Pirates to go to Spain. Yeah? Look at what happened last season. They went to Spain, play friendlies, prepare very well, came back, play Betway Premiership, they won the Betway Premiership. They won triple. So that means Spain, it's working for Pirates because when they go there, they come back at triples. Don't you think so? Yeah, I'm doing. Look, it's good that they took the boy. Yeah, I like the boy. I saw him playing in TTC. I think he's also one of the players that I hope they're gonna give him a chance. Simbo can also come rise like Abo Bogazi, Njengabo Siema Sesane Abo Kingama 2000. Yeah. Can the boy come in and do wonders? He's a very good player. I like him. I'm one person that loves skillful players. I love skillful. More petty pencil, pencil, and no one will take it away from you. I love them. So and I trust that with Coach Wadu. Coach Wadu Osborne Sile show us what he's a very good coach, and he supports the young players. He gives an opportunity to these young boys to showcase their talent. And yeah, we all heard rumors that maybe Ulontuzana will go Talente or Apolise or Mahopa, So, rumors are always gonna be there, So until everything is finalized, then that's when we can talk. But for now, they need to go and prepare themselves to defend the Betway Premiership.
Speaking of yena lo mfana lo uPopo, simbonile mosibekadlala kanjani ukuthi ku DDC ball carrier, umuntu okwazi ukuslow down the tempo of the game. Sometimes tends to delay nyana makumele release, but maka release ushama passer right. You look at the system yaka Owadu yokudlala. The system yaka Owadu is too fast for a player like Utito, and there are a bit of similarities between Lomfano Popo and Utito. Owadu turned the transitional play with a starting policy in Guba. Gafun Leguti, Asbamele base, then basis powers and my pockets. Asian Gubo, wire, like with a high tempo game. Do you see him fit into his structure, Saga coach up Tesla Moadu Lomfanalo?
Yeah, it's all about coaching on him too. I think I trust the coach. And I was lucky that on our way coming back, we had a chat, me and him, and I was so amazed that he even called people Balape France when I was with him there to tell them to say, hey, don't look at this height. This man, he's something else that you can think of when it comes to football. And yeah, it was something like when I'm doing amazing how much he knows me and the contribution that I did in the game. So with a coach like that, had that time and talk to him and because I'm one person that I asked him to, I asked to get some knowledge. And he's one coach that he's good in talking. I trust his coaching, and we could see how Paris players are playing. And with the chat that I had with him, Lapana Perez, he's gonna give him a very good coaching, and he will understand when to use the speed, when not to use the speed. when to dribble, when not to dribble, when to carry, all of those things is going to coach, because those things they need coaching. We are born with that talent. You've got speed, you've got skill, but you need the proper coaching so that you know when to use that speed, when to use that dribbling, when to use one touch, when to play one touch, when to play two touch, when do you need to buy time, carry the ball just to buy time so that you can have a support. All of those things, Coach Wadu, I trust him that is going to give him a very good coaching.
And then there's a game Orlando Pirates izoidlala against the team Karim Benzema in Al Ittihad.
Yeah,
that's going to be a very big one. It's going to be a very important one. A game efana nale playing against a former Ballon d'Or winner, Muntu Gadlaleli France, played for Real Madrid at the peak of Madrid. He's won a Champions League near Real Madrid. What is the defense your Orlando Pirates going to learn just playing against Lomchitalo, and whatever they learn, how do they now come back and apply it compared to a Premiership?
Look, Mdu, the good thing is that he also gonna learn from us. Remember that we also have a star player that played in the World Cup. UCBC played in the World Cup, so he got some experience also playing in the World Cup. That's another level that I believe that Pirates find himself in that level of having Abu CBC, Police, Mahopa playing in the World Cup, and the Talent. So it's a match because yes, he played for. We played for big team in the world. It's not something like that comes easy for any player. Any player you can ask today, even myself in Klelela. Mayengathi Real Madrid yangifonela must come and play. Bengangasuka la ngashiya ngisho impahla ngizothenga phambili. Ngafly nye khona manje. Every player will love to play for big team. But Pirates they look also something that they need to learn ukuthi South African football. How is South African football, and how South African players they behave with the ball, without the ball, in terms of the skill, organization, and all of that. So it's gonna go to both sides to learn. They will learn from us, we'll learn from them to say, playing against a team that plays in a different league. With different challenges, and same applies to us, different league with different challenges, and with individual players that we've got, both teams. How is it gonna be competitive? So it's one game that I'm looking forward to watch.
The competition la pa ku midfield the Orlando Pirates is too much, man. There's a lot of competition la pa. There's Mtiane, Tama talent awafani, Sihle Ndulu ubuyile, Simphiwe Silepe is there, khona lomfana lo Cameron Dancing. Makehleni Makaula usasekhona lapha. There's just too much competition, and they even decided to release Orasibuja Orlando Pirates. Now he's going to look for greener pastures elsewhere. This season, Orlando Pirates, which players do you think are going to make a major impact for the club? Obabona ukuthi akule season na babafethu abantu abazohlupha Orlando Pirates starting ngale competition elapha eMidland.
No, look, it's going to be tough. But one thing that I'm seeing here is that Pirates, they know that they've got the Champions League, they've got the Betway Premiership, they've got MTN 8, they've got Colin Blake Label, they've got Nedbank. So with that, you need to have depth. You need to have depth, and that depth, it will help you a lot to sustain the season, because if you don't do that, then you're gonna have a problem. It's going to be tough for him too. Whoever that's gonna play in that midfield, he needs to grab that opportunity with both hands. Whoever, whether it's Makehleni, whether it's Nduli, whether it's Mtiane, Talente, Nemdejela, whoever that's gonna get that opportunity, he will need to grab that opportunity with both hands, because those midfielders are very strong. Those are very good players. Very, very good players. So, yeah. That's a tough one. That's a tough one, but nevertheless, we're just looking forward.
I know we're looking forward indeed, and badlale kahle lapha. Abu Makhelwane, your team Mamakos for life. They're also in Spain for a pre-season yabo. They learned from the best. Babonile ukuthi no, mawufuna ukufunda, mawufuna ukuni league kumele uyodlala Spain. Kumele uyodlala Spain mawufuna ukuni league. They played izolo, played against the Rangers their first game in pre-season yabo. Score phela si 1-1. But ngifuna uqala ngo goalkeeper because now we are trend goalkeeper wabo musha uRonaldo Lina. uRonaldo Lina uba coste igoal kokuthi lo mfana lo Chiefs the attacker one Igadaru had scored the opener, and then uRonaldo Lina wa consider a goal bamshala phala mhenga la shaya phala la ngena. A silly mistake from a goalkeeper. Do you think it's pressure ukuthi usaqala kule team entsha and he'll pick up?
Yazim do when you play, when it's the first game playing for a big team, I always open the door for that to say you'll make mistakes, and the mistakes are there, and he's still gonna make mistakes because football is a game of mistakes. Anyone makes mistakes, so I think he will learn from that. He will learn from that. He's one player that I believe that I think so far he's good. He's good, but yeah, keepers. Unfortunately, keepers when they make mistakes, they're getting exposed. They're not like us in the midfield where we make mistakes. The defense would come and cover us, and then we are not that exposed. But as a keeper, once you make that mistake, you must know that you're in trouble. You must know that you're in trouble in that. But yeah, I'm just looking forward to see him more, man. To see him more, and I'm a coach for life. That's not a small team; it's a big team. So yeah. They go out there also. It's important to go there, get experience, train outside, get some also methods of saying what does that need to be done, how should we do it, how to prepare yourself to sustain the in terms of the league, go through all the phases of the league, in terms of the physical training, conditioning, and all of that. Highs and lows. It's important, but it's good that they had to go somewhere and learn.
I know it's good to see what they are learning. You look at the Kaizer Chiefs, so a lot of teams are busy, man. Kule market, during this transfer window, a lot of teams are busy. Siabone Stellenbosch is acquiring a lot of players. You can clearly see intention aga Kevin Hunt.
Yeah.
Ufunama player and experience so he can challenge for the league and maybe challenge for an important domestic cup like in Nedbank Cup. You are born it clear no Kevin Hunt. We see Kukune United also have acquired one of the former coaches, the Kaizer Chiefs, Nedbank City. And then you look at now Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns, they've been busy gule market. The Orlando Pirates trying to negotiate for Emil Witboy. The Kaizer Chiefs don't seem to be that busy during this market. The only player they've announced so far, actually they've only announced 2 players, but Ungang Lung is I've forgotten a few. Utabo Mloisan, who is a free agent, and they've recently announced the Ronaldo Lina Lobatka Togomhenga Lapia. Other than that, they've been releasing. But release Matlo, they've released Matlo, Sponile. No news on Lokonjalo, Serino. No new notable tell it looks like na bazom releaser. Chiefs kanti yona kwenzakalani why bathule so ngale transfer market le ni windows wazivala. Yazi
mdo, let me be honest to you. It's just that we don't do things the same as other teams, as Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs have got their own way of doing things. I don't know why. When I'm to they are not signing players. I don't know. But what I'm saying is that they're preparing themselves for a new season, and for that, I think it will really help them. They know their players, and their players, I think they believe that they've got a good squad, the Kaizer Chiefs, coming from position 9. And then end up on the position 3rd, preparing for the Confederation Cup. My worry is that they need to count and say, you've got the Betway Premiership, you've got MTN 8, you've got Carling Blake Label, you've got Nedbank Cup, you've got Confederation Cup. So you need to have depth in that. So I don't know how are they planning to sustain themselves the whole season with these 5 trophies that they are at their disposal. So I don't know, because when you look at Sundowns, they are also reinforcing their team. You know, you look at Pirates, they already put players there. And so you end up that you not really reinforcing your team, because by adding Maloisane and Ronaldo, I don't think that's enough. And Godaro, I think, yes. I don't think it's enough. They need more. They need more in terms of creativity. They need more centre back, you know, because they are you know, the defenders, I can't trust them. After I saw them last season, I can't trust them because they get injuries, they get suspensions, and then end up at some point they had to play with Cross playing him as a centre back, playing no Adrian. It was a bit tough. So I don't know how they're planning to go this season in Kaizer Chiefs. But yeah, we're looking forward to that.
Ay, sizobona ukuthi bazophelela how far this season. And another thing too, ebengifuna sikhulume ngayo, and maybe you can educate us on this, is the scarcity yama strikers akwazi ukora amagoli in South African football. If you look at a striker of South African descent, umuntu omthembayo ukuthi this one can guarantee you double digits amagoli in a season, uyiKram Reina sikuphela. Evidence Makgopa can't do that, who plays for Orlando Pirates. Yanela Mbutuma can't do that, plays for Orlando Pirates. Khanyisa Mayo can't do that, who plays for Kaizer Chiefs. Now, njengoba kwi-market kanje, both teams haven't went and signed a striker, ngisho Chiefs and the Pirates, and they know ukuthi there's actually an issue laphayana up front. Silungisa kanjani le ndawo le yama strikers? Are there any strikers maybe one was here that you'd like to suggest for either teams?
It's worrying, really it's worrying. Kaizer Chiefs, okay, they've got Mayo, they've got Silva, they've got Godaro. They'll find a way. They'll find a way in terms of how they're gonna use them. But I'm worried about us at Pirates, because you've got Makgopa, you've got Mbutuma, Noraidopan. And Noraidopan, I'm not gonna count him that much because last season he didn't have. They started with him, but we didn't get anything, and then they end up changing, giving Makgopa, and then Makgopa also was struggling. They gave Mbutuma. With Mbutuma, it was not that bad, because when you count goals and count the assist work, I think he was putting the team in a better position. But when you're going to defend the league, to defend the Nedbank Cup, to defend the Calling Black Label, and then you want to play for Nedbank and the Champions League, you need a goal poacher. You need somebody that will put the ball in the net. You need a very, very serious striker. If Pirates want to win the Champions League, they want to defend the Betway Premiership, really, they need to go out and look for a top striker. Even if they can get 2 top strikers, that will help, because for really they didn't give us enough Mbutuma and Makgopa in terms of scoring those goals. So I strongly saying go all on the Pirates, please go and look for a striker. We Pirates, we need a top striker. If you have to go outside Africa, and then Africa, and find a top striker, let it be, so that we can be also amongst the best in Africa. Because we've got a good team, got a good keeper, good defense, good midfielders, good creative midfielders, attacking midfielders that can create, that can score. But now again, sometimes you need a striker. Unfortunately, there's one player that is in my mind, but I don't think they will allow him to sign for Orlando Pirates. There's one player that it's in my mind, that's Shalulile, the sniper. So I'm not sure as Sundowns they release him that can he face them? Can he go for a bigger team, for a big team, and face and challenge Sundowns in any case in terms of any competition? So that's the only player That I think because he's a goal scorer. He can score Shalulile, especially with those midfielders are creative. Like now Lapana Pirates, Shalulile can come back and score, those double digits of goals. Yeah, but other than that, here at home, I'd be lying if I would say maybe there's somebody else. Not too sure on Ndlovu where Skukune. What is it that he really can he do? But a couple of games, he's a defender by origin. He's a defender, but they played him as a striker, and he did some good work for his Kukune up front. So I'm not too sure about him. Yeah, but other than that, Pirates, they really need a striker.